Welcome to the Big Sky Care Connect Health Information Exchange User Training. This training is designed to get you started with the HIE. This project is funded in whole or in part under a contract with the Montana Department of Public Health and Human Services. The statements herein do not necessarily reflect the opinion of the department. This information and material are copyrighted by Big Sky Care Connect. All rights reserved. All materials are provided for non-commercial, personal use only and may not be copied, duplicated, altered, or transferred to any medium whatsoever. Before we get started, I would like to thank you for being part of the HIE. As more organizations contribute to the data, and more functions are implemented, the information in the HIE will grow to be the robust data Montana has been waiting to have access to. This training is designed to help you get the most out of your health information experience and may contain some features not available to your organization. If you have any questions over the features in this training, please contact the Big Sky Care Connect Help Desk at help@mtbscc.org or call 888-937-7396. In this training, you will learn some common terms and acronyms associated with the Health Information Exchange and Big Sky Care Connect, as well as their definitions. You will know the roles and what those roles have access to in the Health Information Exchange and how to log in to the Health Information Exchange. First, let's get familiar with some common words and acronyms associated with the Health Information Exchange and Big Sky Care Connect. Admit, discharge, transfer, or ADT, are notifications sent when a patient is admitted to a hospital, transferred to another facility, or discharged from care. Notifications are sent through direct messaging in the Health Information Exchange to update physicians and care management teams on a patient's status, thus improving post-discharge transitions, prompting follow-up, improving communication among providers, and supporting patients with multiple or chronic conditions. Big Sky Care Connect, or BSCC, is a statewide health information exchange organization for Montana. Big Sky Care Connect was established to enable enhanced sharing of clinical data, behavioral health data, determinants of care data, claims data, genomic and ancestral data, and other data among providers, payers, and patients across the state of Montana. BSCC engages in other activities to improve and promote the public health and quality of healthcare in Montana in a cost-effective manner. BSCC is governed by a board of directors made up of physicians and healthcare executives from around the state. For more information about BSCC, visit our website at mtbscc.org or call 406-422-1078. Consolidated Clinical Document Architecture, or CCDA, is a base standard which provides a common architecture, coding, semantic framework, and markup language for the creation of electronic clinical documents. Clinicians can send the CCDA and patient summary in the Health Information Exchange through Direct Secure Messaging. Direct Secure Messaging, or DSM, is a technical standard for exchanging health information between healthcare entities, such as primary care physicians, specialists, hospitals, and clinical labs, in a trusted and secure network. It is easy to use and functions like regular email with additional security measures to ensure that messages are only accessible to the intended recipient. The BSCC Health Information Exchange integrates with secure exchange solutions to enable users to send and receive direct messages. The Electronic Master Patient Index, or the EMPI, is an electronic database that holds demographic information on every patient who receives healthcare services. The EMPI aims to accurately match and link records by uniquely identifying individuals within the Health Information Exchange. A Health Information Exchange, or HIE, describes an organization that facilitates the exchange of health information using various data, methods, and messages to do so. It provides a secure, seamless communication with access to comprehensive patient information. Data feeds from healthcare facilities across the state go into a centralized system, allowing providers to view a longitudinal medical record for the patient. The HIE connects various members of the care team, which allows a multidisciplinary and patient-centric approach to healthcare. An HIE provides vital patient information at the point of care for doctors, nurses, pharmacists, other healthcare providers, and patients to appropriately assess and securely share medical information. Since a vast majority of Montana's landscape is rural, a statewide HIE serves as a conduit for bridging communities, connecting various healthcare providers to hospitals, clinics, labs, specialists, and pharmacies to empower providers with immediate information they need to provide excellent care to Montanans. The Big Sky Care Connect HIE is designed and powered by InterSystems. A prescription drug monitoring program, or PDMP, is a tool to help healthcare providers and pharmacists provide patients better care in managing their prescriptions. Certain roles within the HIE will have access to the PDMP for medication data for patients. BSCC offers SES Direct to connect healthcare stakeholders within the HIE. SES is a leading health information service provider and connects healthcare stakeholders through direct secure messaging. SES offers all healthcare stakeholders seamless and secure communications on the Health Information Service Provider platform, known industry-wide for its accessibility and high performance. Uniform Resource Locator, or URL, is a web address. Your welcome email will contain the URL for the HIE. Your role in the HIE will indicate what applications you have access to and the type of access you have. Clinician users are working at a point of care and accessing the information exchange for treatment purposes. These users can view all patient records for the patient they are accessing, search for patients by demographics, and find all patients that are not opted out of the exchange, view and send patient summary documents, can override patient consent in emergency situations to view patients who have opted out of the exchange, and have access to medication data for the patient. And clinical clerks are participant users who have limited scope in the HIE. This role can view all patient records for the patient they are accessing, search for patients by demographics, and find all patients that are not opted out of the exchange, and view and send patient summary documents. Now that you know some common terms and acronyms associated with the HIE, as well as the roles and their access, let's learn how to log in. The BSCC HIE is supported on the following browsers. For Windows, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, and Internet Explorer 11. For Macs, Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. For Linux, Mozilla Firefox. For iOS, Apple Safari. And for Android, Google Chrome. When your organization participates with Big Sky Care Connect, BSCC will create an account for you. Once your account is created, you will receive a welcome invitation email from Big Sky Care Connect at the email address you provide upon registration. To complete your registration, please open your email invitation. The email will include your username, temporary password, and the HIE URL. The email details will be valid for 60 days. If you are unable to access the platform within that time frame, please reach out to the Big Sky Care Connect help desk. Click on the URL in the email. You will be brought to the BSCC HIE login page. Enter your username and the temporary password located in the email invitation. Once you have entered your credentials, you will be prompted to change your password. Enter your username from your welcome email. Enter the temporary password from your welcome email for the old password. Enter your new password. Your new password must be at least 12 characters and include at least 3 of the following: at least 1 lowercase alphabetic character, at least 1 uppercase alphabetic character, at least 1 numeric character, and/or at least 1 symbol character. Enter your new password again to confirm password, and select the Submit button. Upon successfully changing your password, a confirmation window will display. Click Close to close the window, and you are returned to the login page to log in to the HIE using your new password. Upon successfully logging in with your new password, you will be redirected to the Big Sky Care Connect HIE Search and Viewer screen. We have learned some common terms and acronyms associated with the HIE and Big Sky Care Connect, as well as their definitions, the different roles and what those roles have access to in the HIE, and how to log in. You should now be able to begin use of the Big Sky Care Connect HIE. If you need further assistance or would like to learn more about Big Sky Care Connect and the HIE, please reach out to us and we will be happy to assist you.